Open fracture forearm with splint. This technique is used to immobilize an open fracture of the forearm. This requires the use of a dressing, padded splint, extra padding for the hand area, 3 narrow cravats, and 1 open face cravat. This is a two-man technique where the second rescuer serves to assist in immobilizing the injured limb. Step 1. The first rescuer checks the pulse, motor reflex, and sensation. Step 2. Place a dressing on the wound and apply pressure. Step 3. Apply a narrow cravat diagonally on the wound with the apex as a point of reference. Step 4. Roll the ends of the bandage alternately for several times, with one end going to the distal side and the other end going to the proximal side, leaving an allowance on both ends. Step 5. Pull the ends upward, then make a square knot on top of the wound. Insert loose ends. Step 6. Given the appropriate size of the splint to be used, the first rescuer gently inserts the splint underneath the injured forearm while being assisted by the second rescuer. Step 7. Place a padding on the palm area so that the hand can assume its functional position. Step 8. Fold one narrow cravat into 2 equal parts. Step 9. Insert one end of the folded narrow cravat into the hole at the apex part, securing the injured distal joint laid on the padded splint. Step 10. Make a square knot and insert loose ends. Make sure that the knots do not directly touch the skin. Step 11. Repeat steps 9 and 10 by using the other narrow cravat to secure the proximal joint. Step 12. Apply an arm's length to further immobilize the injured limb. Step 13. Check the pulse, motor reflex, and sensation. You have just seen the 13 steps of open fracture forearm splinting.